Hello, so good day everyone. My name is Rafael Senior Vida and you could call me Teacher Rafa. So today we're going to give an insight about one of our subject, which is the principles and methods. So ano nga ba tong mga natutunan ko all throughout sa course na to? So sa course na to, it's very hard for our part, especially sa section namin because yung principles and methods, naka-focus na agad siya sa values ed. So, parang tinanong kami ng prof namin kung na-take namin yung isang prof ed, which is the principles and methods na pang general. And sad to say na hindi namin nakuha. So, parang nag-struggle kami at first since hindi kami nag-take ng prof ed na yun. And then, pero so far, dahil sa guide ng aming prof, well, na-iraos naman namin ng ang demo teaching namin. Okay, so for my demo teaching experience, I was assigned as a teacher A. And the teacher A is assigned to the panlinang na gawain, pangunahing na gawain, and then katanungan. The hardest part for for the teacher A is to elicit the values to be developed in the student. So lahat kami or mostly ng mga teacher A, especially my own experience, is nahirapan din ako na construct ng question para mapalabas ng values to be developed. And my values to be developed is kahandaan. Well, so far, since for me, it's an easy to elicit the question because during my demo, napalabas ko siya in my first question pa lang. But our senior told us na pag once mapalabas mo siya ahead, then hindi ka magsa-stop sa analysis mo. You need to continue or to elaborate further. But sad to say is, according to our prof, nakalagay siya sa avoid ko, which is hindi ko na-extend ko lang siya, pero hindi ko pa siya napalalim. So siguro, all throughout my experience, isa siguro yun sa mga need ko i-train for myself, and siguro sa pag-construct na rin ng question from lots to HOTS. Moving forward, even though siguro na defend or na success ko yung first demo teaching ko, but as of now, I want to learn more about this subject, which is the principles and methods. Siguro para makuha ko pa yung skills ko sa pag-create ng question, and then hindi lang sa pag-create, siguro sa pagtatanong rin sa student para ma-elicit pa mismo yung mga values to be developed. And then lastly, I would like to extend my gratitude to our prof who is always patient to us, and to my fellow classmates. Congratulations to us.